right, so now that we started Module 4, we need to be able to do these tutorials to get really proficient at this new 3D design software. So when you log in, you should see this. It says, hello, your name, or welcome, your name, and ready to learn the moves. And you say, let's go. And I'm going to be real honest, I don't even know where this is going to take me, but I've done a tutorial before. So ready, here we go. Let's say learning the moves. Let's learn to move the shapes along the work plane. So you hit next. And so it gives you instructions here. Just drag the light brown construction to the area outlined in orange. So ready? I'm going to try that. So I'm going to drag it, click and drag it, and let's see what happens. And there you go. Ta-da! I drug it. I did it. I'm learning how to use the software. Next. Congratulations, you did it. Don't forget that you can move shapes by dragging them with the mouse. All right. Then I hit done. All right, lesson completed. You have completed this lesson, so I'm going to go ahead and type in my snippet tool. And, uh-oh, it disappeared. Oh, yeah, sorry, I got to get rid of this. I got to hit new. So your snipping tool pops up. It might have some more. I'm just going to click new because I want a new screenshot. And I'm going to take this, and it says lesson completed. Boom. And I'm going to go ahead and go over to my document here. And it says paste it in right here. So I'm going to paste that image right here. And bam, there it is. That's how we do the first tutorial. And I paste it